Hey YouTube, so this is the other guy coming to today. So in today's episode, we are working on replacing this gas strut right here. This thing right here supports the weight of this door. If you own a camper like me, sooner or later this strut will die, and you're left with supporting this door with a stick like this. And that's fine and dandy until you hit the stick and this thing comes flying down, falling down onto your head, and God knows what happens to your head. So anyway, that's what we're doing, guys. Let's go have some fun. So if you are having an issue like me and you don't know what to do, how to find a replacement, I'm going to give you a tip. So if you look at here, there are some writings on it. And you see those numbers right here? Those are the replacement numbers. And you get those numbers down and you go into the internet, punch in those numbers. This is the brand. Punch in those numbers and the brand and it'll pop up. And that's how you look for it. So now what we're going to do is we are going to be removing the strut here. As you can see here, it's leaking, and so that is why it's oily. So let's remove this and we'll go out from there. As you can see how we remove this shock right here, or strut, from the lid here or the door here. What we do is, you'll see there's a little clip right here, a slot right here. Put a handy dandy small screwdriver here, and here it is. So you have to be careful that thing will not fly away, because that's probably a one-way ticket if you lose it. So put your finger right here. Okay. There. Comes out. Okay, put that over here. So now the next step is to pull this out like that and pull that out like that. In the meantime, be careful that this glass piece doesn't fall onto your head. So I knew that was falling down, so I support it with my head like that so it doesn't hit my head. We've put the stick back so it doesn't fall off. We're going to use the same method to remove this clip and that clip. I'll show you how it looks like after I'm done. This is how this thing looks like. You can see this thing is DED dead. And this one still has some life in it. So I have this much life on it. But very little. So I'm going to give up its ghost. This is the new part. If you can get the part number from here, which is these numbers right here, you can order it on eBay or Google it. So these are the bad boys. Nice. Let's see if we can match the numbers up. New suspect part. And this is the part number, guys. Let's match them with the old part. Let's see. Yep. So, ooh, it's different. C16 here, C16094550. This is C16098874. Hopefully they are a match. They are. So maybe this is the newer generation, and so the part number is different, but it is a match. And look at this, guys. Very rare, very, very rare that you will find this anymore. It is made in the US of A. There you go, guys. So this is great. Oh boy. And it's got a lot of energy left in here. So guys, let's go install this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install the head here onto there, and it's really, really simple. Now make sure that this thing doesn't fall on your head as you're doing it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in here as best as I can, and all I do is just press this in, and it's in. So then, as you can see here, this thing is too long, right? So what you do is you stretch the door by opening it with my hand, and that'll drop the stick, but it's okay. And then just press this in. So we're gonna go do the other side. I've already connected this right here. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put this up here. As you can see, it's a little bit too short. So what we're gonna do, so we're gonna lift this up, okay, push it in, and that's it. And we are good. There. And it doesn't take a rocket scientist to do this, guys. If I can do it, so can you. Let me know what your thoughts are, and we're good.